Hello y'all, welcome to Econ Chapter 3. This is going to be a short video that will go along with your lecture notes on supply and market equilibrium. So let's take a closer look into what we will be diving into today. So we'll be going over what a supply schedule is, what exactly quantity supplied is, how these two aspects relate to a supply curve, and we'll be also diving into the basics of market equilibrium. So first, the supply schedule. What is a supply schedule? So it is a tabular format that demonstrates the change in goods and or services offered based on varying price levels. It's important to note that it's offered here, not demanded, because we're talking about supply and not demand. And an easier way to put this is that supply schedule depicts how supply changes when price changes. So obviously, when a price goes up or down, the suppliers aren't going to keep the same amount of things supplied, because then they would most likely lose profit if they are not at equilibrium compared to the price, which goes into quantity supplied, which is the amount of goods and services made available at a given price. So how much of something, like before, is offered based on its relationship to price. So something about quantity supplied is it has a direct relationship to price, meaning that as price increases, quantity supplied will also increase. When price decreases, quantity supplied will decrease, which makes sense, because if you have a product that sells for more, you'll want to produce more of that, so you'll be able to continue to sell it in a larger quantity and make more profit off of that product. So here's an example. Here you have your supply schedule, your tabular format. You can see how much of something is supplied at a given price, and you can also see the direct relationship between quantity supplied and price. As the price goes up, the quantity supplied also goes up to maximize the profit for the producer. Moving on to market equilibrium. Market equilibrium is simply when quantity supplied equals quantity demanded. So that way, neither the producer or consumer will have incentive to change their price or what price they desire for the product. So you will reach a balance, therefore equilibrium. And here's an example. You have your supply and your demand curves meeting at this point right here, which means that their intersection is the equilibrium point, because they both either supply or demand the desired product at a given price at the same time. And you can see that here with a price of 16 pounds. The quantity demanded is 8,000, and the quantity supplied is also 8,000. So at this point, there will be no desire to change the quantity supplied or demanded, because they are in a balance. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this helped you have a greater understanding on supply and market equilibrium. And good luck on your economic classes in the future. Thank you.